Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert objects into your photos and images you edit on Adobe Express Photos in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Head over to the Adobe Express Photo Editor, upload your image, and there are two ways how you can insert objects. One option would be to use the insert feature here at the top. We're going to talk about just in a second, and the other option would be to click into create a design here and use one of these options, for example, add a text or element. And if you click into one of these, you will be redirected to a more detailed photo editor where you can insert various text boxes, shapes of content, and so on and so forth. So let us go with that insert button here. Click into it, and after that, the artificial intelligence on Adobe Express here, Express Photos, will ask you to describe what you would like to have inserted into the image, or what you'd like to see. So I don't know, let me go with, let's say, for instance, beautiful, exotic, colorful bird flying below bridge. And after that, you may adjust the brush size for the area where you'd like to position or place the inserted object. So as you can see, according to my description or prompt, I would like to see that exotic bird somewhere here, flying just below the bridge. You may adjust the brush size by using that slider or by entering a value here, like, I don't know, 127, I don't know if it's px or something like that, or reset the brush. And once that's done, confirm by clicking into insert. Give the artificial intelligence here, Adobe Express Photos, a few moments to create the result and to insert the object. It may take, of course, a moment depending on, let's say, the complexity of your prompt. And yeah, so let us see and await the results. And there you go. As you can see, the image, there's that bird depicted here, and yeah, it aligns with the description. It has colorful feathers, it is exotic, and you can pick one of these options here to the left, like that. I don't know the species of that bird, but you can choose one of these or ask the artificial intelligence to generate more. As you can see, the shadow effects are not too good, so that's my personal opinion on that, or feedback, but that's how it works, guys, in general. If you'd like to keep the result, click into this button in the bottom left or discard it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.